Hi guys, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel Leela Web Dev. So in the previous video, we have successfully able to get the HTTP request, right? So now what I would be trying to do it is, so now we are able to get the HTTP request. So now what we'll be trying is, we'll try to send the CSS file also. So let's say that in our code, in our HTML code, so let's say that in our HTML code, okay, so here in our HTML code, let's say that we are having in the index.html we are having a link file. Okay, so link is equal to rel is equal to style sheet, and the href is equal to styles.css file. So let's say that we are having something like this. So now when you try to uh, refresh this page, so here when you try to refresh this page, so what will happen? So it is trying to request the styles.css file, but it is in the pending state. And here you'll be able to see that it is accepting the client is telling that I will accept the text slash css, or otherwise star dash slash means any file it will it is saying. But our server cannot able to access this one, so that means we need to send this styles.css also. So for sending this one, so here what you can write it is the same scenario. So here you can see that like this, and here you can say that the same thing. So you will copy here and you will try to paste it here. And if it is in styles.css file and it is a get request, so then you need to set it with a text/css, and here you need to get it with a styles.css and the read mode, and here same thing. So now you have written like this, and let's go to the code, and here let's try to do the server thing. And here if you see the output for this one again, so now here it has been failed. What is that? It has here style sheet styles.css. Okay, oh, but we haven't created the file, right? So let's try to create in our public styles.css file, and in this one I will try to give the body and the color of red. So just I will try to give a simple css. Now let's go to our code. Okay, and here see it is saying no such file or directory, and the Node.js has been ended. So here I will try to create it, and let's go to our code here, and I will refresh this page. See, now the body is in red color, and the styles.css you will be able to get the same thing. So this is how we need to try to capture the content, and we are trying to send the content type also, text plus css. So that is how we will be sending the files. So now you may be having a doubt. So for example, let's say that in our index.html we will be having tons of files like image files and all those things. So how you can do it? So normally in express.js or framework anything, so you'll be able to see that static express.static, and you will be giving the static path. So you will be having a static path here, so that if the same process it will go. So it will go in a loop that one by one file. So it will try to capture each file, and it will create a route, the same scenario, the route how I have created. So not this one, the route how I have created request.url is equal. So this is the file it will try to read each file, and it will try to give a get method, and it will set the header based on the file extension what it is having, and it will do the same streaming process. The express file also does the same thing only, but here we are doing it same. So it's a very easy thing only, we can automate this one. So by going on to the static folder and looping over each file, and we will be creating the route for each file, and we will be creating the content type for each type of file with the file extension. So this is how you will be creating it, but for the time being I am doing it like this. So this is how you will be able to send the css file. So in the same scenario you can write the javascript file also, so that is not an issue. So here if you are having a javascript file, something like script source is equal to main.js, and here if you want you can write type is equal to text slash javascript. You can write it like this, and you can close the script. So this is our main.js file. So here you can create the main.js file, and in this one I am trying to create alert. So this is coming from client side. So just I am creating an alert box, and here in our server.js file the same thing. So you can use the same thing, and here you can paste the same thing. Here I will do Control C, okay, and I will be pasting the same thing, but here this time we are getting it is a main.js file and the get request. So here you can do something like text slash javascript, and here you will be doing the main.js file. So this is how you will be trying to create. That's it. So this is a simple thing. So now when you try to access the same thing here, let's try to create this thing. We are not able to get it. Main.js. So here we are getting it. Fine. Let's go to our terminal and let's restart this one again. So here I am restarting this one. And let's go to here and I will try to refresh this page. So this time we got the main.js file and it is trying to execute the JavaScript and it is telling alert box. This is coming from client side. So now we are able to get the JavaScript data also. And here we have told about this one. The content type is text/JavaScript. So this is how we will be creating our simple web servers, handling all the files, how it will be happening. So this is a simple HTTP server, web server, which will be handling all the requests. So here what we are trying to do, the main basic, the component, the 4 components like URL, method, headers, and also the body. So we are dealing with the 4 things only. So we are trying to check the URL and we are trying to check the method and we are trying to do it like this. So the same thing here. So these are all the things. If you want, you can move it in a separate thing. I told you, right? Express.static, if you give the public path. So the file stream, the file handle, it will loop over each file and it will create a root for each file and it will set the content type based on the file extension and it will create the same process. The Express also does the same process only, but here I am trying to show you how we can do it on our own. That's the things which we have learned from first onwards, I am trying to explain you. So that's it guys about this one. So we have created our simple HTML, web server, and also we are serving the basic files like HTML file and also the CSS file and also the JS file. I are serving it. So hope you understood about this concept. So if you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.